gonna be doing a little prank.
I don't really like your extensions, to be honest.
So you don't find me attractive anymore or what?
I just feel like the black is too basic.
Basic?
You could have even went with brown, at least. You know, something different.
So, you want another bitch with brown hair? Go get yourself another bitch with brown hair.
Recently, Rosa got new hair. If you don't remember, she used to have the short blonde hair. And it was like new and different. And even me, whenever I first saw it, I was like, babe, like you look totally different. And I don't care what anybody says, I truly think Rosa pulled that hair off. And I really liked it on her, you know what I'm saying? And she was actually supposed to get black hair and hair extensions for prom, but instead she went with that hair. And then whenever graduation happened, she was supposed to get the black extensions. But that's not how things went. Fast forward to now, she got the black hair with black extensions. I think they're like 28 inches long, super long.
That's what she said.
And she's like back to old Rosa now. You guys read the title. We're gonna be doing a little prank. I feel like it's the summer. We can turn up, we can get a little crazy, get a little reaction. We're just playing around a little bit, have a little fun. So basically, I'm gonna be telling Rosa that I do not like her new hair. I think she's had it for like a week or two, and I've been saying I like it. So whenever I do it, I'm just gonna throw her off like, babe, I don't like your hair. It's too long. The color doesn't look. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna come up with stuff off the top of my head. But before I do like Rosa's hair. I truly think she can pull off anything, and that's something I admire about her. She's very confident. She can pull off any kind of clothes, any kind of hair, any kind of makeup, eyelashes. And I told her like always try new things, and that was kind of an inspiration for like the short blonde hair. Like she got a lot of hate for it. It really sucks, but I just think, you know, you learn what you like and you don't like. So maybe she doesn't like the short hair no more. She wish she would have went blonde or whatever, but she just realized what she does and doesn't like now. And she could probably even pull off being bald if I'm being honest. She's making me some quesadillas right now. We just finished the mukbang. I was like, babe, those are so good. Can I have some more? So let's go see what she says.
Babe, how like your hair?
My buttercup. Thank you so much for making my second. I mean, what is this, my third one?
Third.
They're that good. I don't even think we need to go to no Mexican restaurant no more.
Deadass.
Do we have any more spicy avocado thing or no?
No, but I'm gonna give you some of the one we used to do.
Thank you so much. And then honestly, I might need a little Coke with it too.
Okay.
Even though I don't drink Coke. Thanks. You're the best, Buttercup. Alright, thank you, mi amor. Wait, what are you gonna do right now?
I'm going to the restaurant really quick because I need to pee, but here's your coat before I leave.
I know it's raining and stuff, but I don't think it's gonna rain tomorrow. Do you still think we can go to the pool tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah. In the morning, like when we wake up.
After we go to the Bell Bonds?
Yeah.
Yeah, you forgot about that?
Yeah, let me go.
Or you're gonna go to...
Alright guys, she's going to take a piss real quick. I was ready to go for the execution, but I was gonna say like, what about your hair extensions? So whenever she comes back, I'm like, are you sure we can go to the pool even though you have your hair extensions? Every time I do these pranks, I get a little nervous. Got tense up, but I gotta keep my composure. Little shot. I'm actually curious what she's gonna say. Hopefully she don't get mad too. She just made me a freaking quesadilla. Being on mine, so I'm about to be mean to her back. Bruh. Sorry, throw my buttercup. I love you. It's your prank.
Buttercup, I was gonna ask you something real quick.
What?
You know how you got hair extensions, right?
Yeah.
Are you allowed to go swimming with them?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Like they're not gonna mess up?
I'm pretty sure you can, yeah.
I'm just saying, because I know you paid a pretty penny. How much were they?
1.6.
1.6K, and just for them to get ruined in the pool, you know what I'm saying?
Well, I was thinking I'm gonna put my hair up and just.
Oh, just your body? You can't dunk your head?
But if I want to, I can.
Do you actually like those extensions? Like,
Yeah, they look good, but
so you wouldn't do it all over again? You wouldn't keep the blonde hair?
if I had short blonde hair and I didn't like my short hair, I would get blonde extensions.
For real?
Yeah.
What about the color, the black though? Don't you feel like black is a little like...
You know, the thing that I liked about the orange/blonde hair is it really popped. It really stood out.
And I feel like with the black hair, it's kind of like just basic.
So you preferred the orange?
I mean, you could have even went with brown, at least. You know, something different.
So what are you trying to say? I'm basic.
I think black hair is basic.
So what, you don't like it?
Well, I think you should have got like a different color or something.
But I talked to you before getting it.
I know, but I didn't know it was gonna look like this.
Like what?
I don't know. I just feel like it's just like...
That looks like when I had long hair.
No, your natural hair look like better. I just think I don't know. I don't really like your extensions to be honest.
Why?
Wait, turn around real quick.
No.
Turn around real quick.
No.
I mean, all that matters is that you like them. You know what I'm saying?
But me personally, I think you should have either stuck with the short bob and let your hair grow out, go with brown or something. I just feel like the black is too basic, you know?
Like, how many girls do you know with black long hair like that?
So you don't find me attractive anymore or what? You used to f with a lot of black haired bitches.
What do you mean? How do you know they have black hair?
Because I know all the girls you had. Sneaky things.
Name one.
No, I'm not gonna name them.
How long do those extensions last?
Up to 6 months if they take care of them.
But you're not gonna have them for 6 months.
I'm
so-
gonna have them for 6 months first of all.
Why? Okay, what if I
If
pick?
you want,
What?
shit, if you want another bitch with brown hair, go get yourself another bitch with brown hair.
What if I pay you to like?
No.
Cause like I know they cost you money and everything.
I'm not gonna dye my hair again just to fucking please you.
So you're just gonna keep the black?
Yeah.
I just think you look better with like the
I
blonde.
don't care what you think I look better with. Eat your fucking quesadilla.
Thank you for the quesadilla.
What, fucking ungrateful ass? Telling me my hair fucking is ugly.
I mean, what if I dunk your head in the pool? Will you make him come out faster? And to be honest,
What? Speak your mind, Julian.
I feel like since you can't wash them, I feel like their hair be stinking some more too.
So, I literally just washed it today.
I know, like finally, I'm just saying, like the
Finally.
day before.
Smell your hair. You can't even go a day without washing your hair because it stinks.
So you're saying my hair always smells. Why do you never tell me?
I always tell you.
You always tell me that my hair smells.
Yeah.
I don't think it smells as bad as yours.
Let's compare smells right now.
Right now, you just washed yours. What? Okay, go ahead.
You washed yours today.
Okay.
You washed yours.
I actually didn't. I didn't wash
No,
my hair.
you're lying.
I just put water today, I swear.
Your quesadilla's gonna get cold.
It's alright. I want to compare hairs
Fucking
right
hating
now.
it.
Let me smell your hair. Alright, smell mine.
What does it smell like?
Shit stink.
Let me smell your hair then. Where are the extensions at? Not your real hair.
Yeah, it
You
smells
put perfume on your hair.
good.
I can smell it.
No, I'm just fucking clean.
I'm like, why is it all wavy and stuff?
Cause that's how it is. It's supposed to be like real hair. Go eat your fucking quesadilla. Don't even touch my hair extensions. You don't even like them. Move.
Why are you mad?
Because the fuck you fucking ugly. Like,
I didn't call you ugly. I just said your hair is ugly.
Buttercup,
what?
can I tell you something?
No,
Okay, first off, I want to say I'm sorry.
I don't care.
I mean, your hair is a little ugly, but...
I'm just kidding, Buttercup.
Leave me alone.
Okay, can you get off your phone real quick? Can you get off your phone?
What do you want?
I just wanted to see what you were gonna say if I said your hair was ugly. I don't think your hair is actually ugly.